Hi, this is Muad from JB Academy. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to remove my sunglasses. Today, we're going to explain a very important lesson in grade 6, which is understand rates. Guys, before we start, what do we mean by rates in our life? Do you know when we say, please try to lower your rate of speech? This is what we mean by rate. This means don't be fast. Rate of speech. So how many words you say in 1 minute? That's what we call by rate. What's your rate of speed? What's your speed? That's the rate. How many kilometers per hour? If your rate of speed, let's say 700 kilometers in 5 hours. So from these two examples, we understand that in rates, we are comparing two quantities of different units of measure. Kilometers and hours. So they are different. Kilometers for distances, yes, and hours for time. So we are comparing or relating two units or two quantities of different units of measuring. So our objective will be today to understand what's rate, how to write rate, and how to use rate to solve some questions. Here I will show you two examples. One example for how to write rates, just comparing the two quantities. And in the other examples, I will show you how to use rates to solve some problems. Here, Ahmed packaged 108 eggs in 9 cartons. Write the statements as a rate. Now here, just I want to write them as a fraction. In this case, I write them as a rate. If you write for every 108 cartons, we have 108 eggs in 9 cartons. In this case, we have written it as a rate. We can write it in another way, or we can write 9 cartons for 108 eggs. This is the first kind of questions. In the second kind of questions, we need to find the value, the missing value, using the rates. For example, in this example, we have 45 miles in 4 hours. Now, if you are jogging 45 miles in 4 hours, this is not logical, but we are if we say you are using or riding your bicycle 45 miles in 4 hours. In 135 miles, how many hours? Now I want to relate them. I want to find a way, either by multiplication or division or making a table. Now, what's the relationship between 45 and 135? If we multiply 45 by 3, we can get 135, yes? So I need to multiply 4 by 3 to know what's the value of n. 4 multiply 3 equals 12. So 45 miles, 4 hours. 135 miles in which is 12 hours. Another example, example 2. Now we have pounds and we have the cost of these pounds. 0 pound equal $0. Now 1 pound equal $2. So in pound, how many pounds to cost $5? Each pound, $2. So if we put here, for example, 2 pounds, we'll have what? $4. But here we have 5. So we have extra $1. So with $1, $2 to buy 1 pound. So $1, you can buy half pound. So here we need to divide. If you look at the values here, you can find that always the cost is double the value of the number of pounds. Here 2, 4. So here 5 is double of what? Double of 2.5. That's by this way we can find the value of n in this example. Let me repeat this final point here. From this, we can find that value of the bounds is half the value of the cost. So here, half of 5 is 2.5. I think that's all for our lesson. Thank you very much.